Hi, my name is Elise Newberry, and I'm the career specialist for our marketing students within the FJ Management Center for Student Success. So hello, Huntsman. I'm excited to show you all how to register for our 2020 Career Expo through Aggie Handshake. There are two different ways that you can access your Aggie Handshake to sign up for the Expo. So I'm going to show you both ways. Okay. Quickly sharing my screen. So what you're seeing on your screen right now is the Huntsman homepage. So it's huntsman.usu.edu. What I like to do is go up to this search bar and type in Career Expo. The very first link that you see, Huntsman Career Expo, is going to be the link for you to click to take you to our Huntsman Career Expo page. This is our hub of information for students as well as employers. So if you scroll through here, there are a couple of items of information, what employers should be expecting, what your checklist as a student or an attendee is, and there are directions right here on how to register as well. But I'm going to show you. So you'll notice that we just posted the multi-employer sessions. That's really exciting. So we have on the 22nd as well as the 24th, several multi-employer sessions to register. This is going to be separate from the Friday event. So you'll want to click this link and register for each of those panels separately. Okay, so for Friday, there are two tabs. There's this register for sessions right here, but also under featured information, there's this Career Expo Fair. I'm going to click on that one, and that's going to take us right to the Expo page on Aggie Handshake. So I've already logged into my student account, which means that I will automatically be populated with all of this information. In order to register, you'll see right here, there's this registered button. I have gone through and registered, so I'm just going to quickly unconfirm, and there you go. It pops up as a dark navy blue, so you'll register and it will give this information. Now, since I was already registered, I wasn't prompted with a quick survey. So when you initially register, you will be prompted with a 3 or 4 question survey asking about your preparedness. Please be honest about this. We just want you to reflect on how prepared you are for the expo. So you'll go in and then let's click view sessions. So you have 3 tabs that are going to be really great resources for you. You have this career fair details, and it's more of a homepage. Then available sessions right here. This is where you can go through and search all of the employers that are here. You can look at multiple filters, see who's hiring, who's hiring full-time versus internships, maybe part-time. And underneath each employer, you will see these group sessions as well as one-on-one sessions. So we can confirm registration for that. There shouldn't be any parameters around the group sessions. So if you're interested and would like to sign up, you should be able to do so. But if we say go into Brex, now I'm registered as a student. I think I'm a freshman or sophomore on here, maybe a graduate student. So it's very possible that when you click to register for a one-on-one, it might pop up with this message saying, sorry, there are no one-on-one meetings. That means one of 2 things. More likely than not, it means that you specifically don't meet the parameters that the employer has set for that meeting. So they can set parameters for your year in school, GPA, your major. Major is probably the one I don't reach here. So if that's an issue, feel free to reach out to your career coach and just see on the back end if that's what's happening. And maybe we can reach out to the employer or the recruiter and set something up. So let's find one that I will qualify for. Here you go. So if you qualify or you are within those parameters that the employer has set, you can choose your one-on-one time. I'm not going to choose one today because I don't want to take up space for you, but you'll just click the time you want and then confirm. When you do that, your sessions that you confirm for are going to show up right over here in this left tab or in this right column. So let's sign up for, let's go with Adobe real quick, scroll down. I'm really interested in learning about Campbell's Scientific, so let's confirm here. And so you'll see that these sessions populate right here. You can also look at your schedule through your sessions tab, and you'll see that there are times when the expo is going on and you might not be registered for a session. So you'll get these no sessions messages, and you can see what sessions are available during that time. And you can either fill it with companies you're interested in, or you could not. That would be perfectly okay too. It's really about what you're interested in learning with these companies, as well as what companies you like what you want to know more about, and connecting with recruiters. Okay, so that is through the Huntsman page. You can also sign on into Handshake through your My USU. I've done that by clicking down. Oh, I moved it up to my favorites. So it's right up here for me. And this should be the home page that you come to. I like to go and click this events tab, and that will show all of the events that are happening on through Handshake for USU. And then I like to go to career fair right below events, and that will filter the career fairs that are happening at USU. Of course, we're right here with the 2020 Huntsman Career Expo. And just like before, this is the homepage for the expo, has all of the employers listed, some contact information, and you hit this registered button. And that should take you right to the expo registration page. So that should be how you get to register for the expo this year. Please note that those multi-employer panels are through that Huntsman website, and you'll register for those individually. Please know that we do have a drop-in Q&A session this afternoon, Wednesday, from 4 to 5. That link can be found on the Huntsman calendar, as well as through the Expo Hub page. And we have drop-in resumes from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. every business day, I believe, leading up to Wednesday, through Wednesday next week. So we got the next 5 business days. So meet with one of our career specialists or our student mentors and student advisors through the FJ Management Center for Student Success. Well, we hope to see you at the Career Expo, virtually, of course. So you get involved, get to know our employers, and explore what opportunities are available to you, whether part-time, internships, or full-time. I hope you have a great day. Bye.